This certificate that I received today brought attention to a long-standing dealio in my life. For all of my life, I have been called all different kinds of Daryl names: Darrell, Dale, Darnell, Dirl, and my name has two R's, two L's, and an E. Daryl, not Darrell, not one R, not one L, and a Y. Darrell. So that's my question to you. Are you like me? Do you have one of these names that's impossible to spell correctly? It has so many ways to be spelled, and no one can pronounce your name either. Let me know. Or do you have a name that is a blessing throughout all of the generations? There are important meanings in names. I believe that. And so, I don't know, a couple of years ago, I decided I wanted to call myself Brother Barnes. Hermanobarnes. I like the alliteration of the BB sound. How do you deal with this in your life? Or is your life just ultra smooth? No problems at all? Carry on.